Oyimore kamoro maitiere janeno mar kalatvlive midhiambo makawuono mar tarik 18 dwe mar auchiel higa 2020 to kod auchiel chieng' tich ang'wen machiegni.
Jukwaa la wasomi, I don't know whether you've heard about it. So Jukwaa la wasomi ideally is bringing a concept whereby the youths are being trained on mediation and also on issues that actually affect the common that affect them in terms of security. So currently they are close to almost more than 1,000 or so youths have actually been trained, both university, TVETs, and those other entities. But when you talk about crime, ideally, what you remember that where we come as IPOA, when there's a public order management idea.
To the things that are happening currently in Kisumu in terms of goonism, insecurity, and crime matters.
I'm one of the youths under Crime IPOA. Crime IPOA has really helped. At times, let me say, I used to have lots of free time. Crime IPOA was able to give me a place to study, read, and also nurture talents. It helps in nurturing talents. I'm a great artist. It gave me the platform to produce my works and also spread awareness to help other kids who are wasting their time.
Today we have come here in Nyakach sub-county just to meet with the members of the public and the people whom we serve, so that we discuss with them about the judiciary, the services which the judiciary offer, and just to also get feedback from them concerning the court, concerning the other stakeholders. And we just sit together and try and talk and discuss about how we can serve them better.
Mika Evelyn beno dhi nyime kod lero ne kalatvlive moko kuom buche go eko mabende osebedo ka chando jopiny e sub-county no manyando kanyakla koda Nyakach.
Succession matters. We have very many succession cases at Nyando, and at times the cases are filed and the petitioners don't follow up. So we are here to explain to them the succession process.
Maybe to understand, to track the case so that they understand how the process goes on.
Ne endo monero mathuolo kendo mafuyanga malichwe mokalo kama kuom jopiny sub-county no Nyakach nokawo thuolo maket kod maendi kendo duoko erokamano kotende kod odok mabende ne ogol e itgi kod judiciary gwenge eko makono.
Nyiso mine machwo gi otho, anto chwora ponditie. Dhako mati mine machwo gi otho, per dhako motegno maka ng'ato timni tim marach. Dhi kote mbele mondo sirikal mondo ng'enia to mama ni imayo, we bedi mama maling'. Mar ariyo, kangato inyini idwa mailopi inyanyasa ringithi to mondo okonyi mondo minge adiere mari kikibere bere ng'amonindo tima iki mon ke chori otho nikech sama ipuonji ka wachino omi wane kejo koro miwatia
pia tuko hapa ili tuzungumze, tupate ule uhusiano ambao uko mzuri, mfurahie tunapowahudumia na pia sisi tufurahie kwa vile tutajua kwamba tunahudumia kwa roho moja, kwa roho safi, na tunafanya kazi ambayo inafaa.
Ne kalatvlive ko Nyakach sub-county ya Kisumu County and Justice Adoyo.
Ekinde ni endi makoro dong manandalo achiel kende tisidho odiochieng' endo mar tuo endi makoro dong manandalo achiel kende tisidho odiochieng' endo mar tuo ring remo kata sickle cell. Joma nitiere kod tuo mar sickle cell e kaunti ni ma Kisumu. Joma nitiere kod tuo mar sickle cell e kaunti ni ma Kisumu koro ywagore kagiriamb.
And the stakeholders can work into this and maybe and maybe reduce it to a maximum of 300 shillings. Because these warriors are not working, and many of them, most of the time, suffer from crisis. And
Works, yes, but it is not so much comprehensive. It is not so much comprehensive. It only covers the admission of sickle cell.
Manendo mar pamoja transformation mabende no bago rome po manendo ma Kisumu kendo jiwo oganda mar mondo miyo yiyo ne gidak kod kwe maonge tungni kindgi.
Knowledge that the city life, especially by night, is not as active as would be desired of any other cities. But the positive part is one area, that is Kondele, that has been synonymous with every kind of.
A lot has been discussed and we have agreed that as an office we will work with anyone who's willing to promote.
Janero mara ye mara mdume make gi kanyere kidini ndi mara Podho Chieng kamano oture sa chiel gi sa deke kidini no gumar machigne pacho ka chiel kod ngin weche modi kelo ni weche mamoko mathoth mabende pod waikoni kuom mane ndo mene mana kete Kala TV nikech ma e odwa.